Back to product zone. Today we're going to test out this amazing garden knife. It's double-sided, good handle, great for pruning, digging, measuring. It's stainless steel. Let's check this out. It got decent review on Amazon and as a gardener and landscaper, I always like to test these products out. Don't forget, always check in the description box for price and details on these products. First thing first, we got a nice little pouch right here. See that? That's pretty cool. So you could hook that on your belt. Then you got a little safety strap here and protect it well. First thing you will notice is this beautiful green, and they have their logo. Really nice. It's a good quality here. Already nice grip. And then we pulled it out. Wow. Turn this so you guys can see. Incredible. So now it's very sharp. Over here you can see like the knife for cutting right there. Look at that blade right there. Very nice. Look at that right there. This is a really good, like a saw teeth blade. And you got a sharp one right there. And then what I like about it is you could measure. So if you want to cut about, say you want to dig down about 2 inch or 5 centimeter, 4 inch or 6 inch. So this whole blade is about 6 inches. It's not heavy and it's not too light. It's like between, which is good. It's very sturdy. Stainless steel, which is a good quality. I gotta tell you, for the price, this thing is a really, really good quality. And now we're gonna put it to the test. All right, so the first thing we're gonna do, let's just say we need to make a hole right here, right, before we do any cut. So with the pointed tip, it'll go down easy. Look at that. Without hurting anything. So we could literally dig a hole. And say if we want to go 4 inch, so we could go right there. And we stop exactly. I'm just giving you guys an idea. And when you're done, you could use that to and then flatten it out. This thing is really a top quality. I had some before and they were like plastic, you know, and a little bit cheesy. I mean, this thing, it's good. All right, so we got a lot of stuff. Let's say we want to prune this out. We want to harvest this. We're going to come right here. And let's see. Wow, it's very sharp, really nice. And this here you could get like branches and stuff like that. You could use that, which is amazing for pruning, digging, cutting, measuring. This is pretty cool. I think I'm gonna tell you, you got a little handle here so you could hang it up after you finish. It's pretty cool. So far it's really good. It's a really good tool and I like it. I gotta tell you, it's not a lot of tool that I like or I keep, but I'm pretty sure I might keep this one. Look at this soil. Look how easy it goes down. See that? That's to tell you it's make the soil like butter when mean in a good quality. Check in the description box for price and details. And